Hey there, curious minds. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of variables in experiments? Let's dive right in. First things first, what even is a variable? Imagine you're baking cookies. Your ingredients, flour, sugar, butter, those are your variables. In scientific experiments, variables are the elements that can change or be changed. There are three main types of variables you need to know about: independent, dependent, and controlled. Let's break them down. The independent variable is the one you change on purpose. Think of it as the ingredient you're experimenting with. If you're baking cookies, maybe you want to see what happens if you add more chocolate chips. More chocolate chips, that's your independent variable. Next up is the dependent variable. This is what you measure in the experiment. It's the outcome you're interested in. In our cookie scenario, it could be the taste, texture, or maybe even how quickly they disappear from the plate. The dependent variable depends on the changes you make to the independent variable. Now, let's talk about controlled variables. These are all the things you keep the same to make sure your experiment is fair. Baking time, oven temperature, and the amount of flour. Those need to stay consistent. Imagine if you changed the oven temperature along with the chocolate chips. You'd never know if the cookies were better because of the chips or the heat. Alright, let's put this into a real-world science example. Say you're testing how sunlight affects plant growth. Your independent variable, the amount of sunlight each plant gets. Your dependent variable, the growth of the plants, like how tall they grow. And your controlled variables, things like the type of plant, the amount of water, and the soil used. Remember, keeping your controlled variables consistent is super important for getting reliable results. Otherwise, your experiment might be more like a guessing game. So why does this matter? Understanding and controlling variables helps you design better experiments and get clearer answers. Whether you're in the lab, the kitchen, or even just curious about the world, mastering variables is like having a superpower for discovery. And there you have it, the secrets of variables unlocked. Now go forth and experiment, young scientists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting science content. Catch you next time.